right, so if you're in Google Meeting right now, you already know how to get here. Here's the thing. Google Meet Gridview seems to be shutting down again. So rather than uninstalling it and reinstalling it like my last video, just make sure that you recognize that Google has already been there for you and has updated some things. So in your 3-dot drop down over here, you have some new features. One of them is change layout. If you click change layout and you go to tiled or sidebar or spotlight, you now have a shot. Here's auto, which is going to make it the way you want. There's only one of me here, so it'll probably hit spotlight. But you need to click tiled if you're thinking about going into your new Google Meet Grid View based on basic Google Meetings now. So you don't have to have the extension added on anymore. Check that out. That should probably help.